The purpose of this section is to familiarize you with the concept of rotational motion and power. We will start our discussion with rotational motion. Rotational motion occurs when an object is spinning. Some examples of rotational motion might be the drivetrain in your car, the tire on a vehicle turning, or even a figure skater spinning on the ice. Some other examples of rotational motion would be the rotation of the Earth, a DVD spinning as it is being played, the flywheel on an engine, or even a windmill rotating. Let's take a look at the formula for the angular speed of an object. Angular speed, which will be given in revolutions per minute, or RPM, is equal to the number of revolutions divided by the number of minutes. The other version of this equation that you may have ran across before is that angular speed in radians per second is equal to the angular displacement given in radians divided by time in seconds. Now we will look at an example where we use the angular speed formula. A motorcycle wheel turns 3,600 times when ridden for 6.4 minutes. What is the angular speed in RPMs? We know that the angular speed can be found by taking the number of revolutions divided by the number of minutes. Then we can substitute in 3,600 revolutions and divide that by 6.4 minutes. When we do that, we should end up with an angular speed of 562.5 revolutions per minute. In the next video, we will take a look at linear speed.